It woke you up too. Okay. Girl, let me tell you something.
Did you just hear me holler? I don't want to die like this.
I'm dreaming.
Too much.
That they wouldn't let me leave.
Oh no, we could. Look, I was just in the home. I said, "Don't need to get my patients because all my patients can walk. We can get around it."
It might be hard going down the steps.
Oh, we're gonna figure it out.
Medicine.
Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, I'm like, all right, hold on now. I was trying to wait and see what was going on. I was like, can we handle it that way? But they said it's contained. It was on the ground level, it's contained. But I'm like, oh, I said, my patients are ambulatory. We couldn't find it here. I got my car keys in my pocket.
It might be cold, baby.
That's all right. We're going to figure it out. We'll figure it out.
I was literally having a dream. I was like, why do they keep saying the same thing over and over again?
I'm going to shut it off now. It's so loud. It's just lights flashing.
It is, you get it too?
No, you can't get that till 2:45.
Oh, shit.
I know, it's every 8 hours. I know. I'm on it, though. Like, as soon as you can get it, I'm green. Ooh, that's time right there. Just gas lights. 2:45. I'll be in here with that, I promise. I know. I was trying to wait a minute. I was like, oh, we're going to be back away. But then they said, no, we didn't need to.
If it was, they like we.
I know. Oh, God, see you in the motion. I'm not messing with you.
I need water.
What'd you say?
Water. You have one. Nobody can get one. I forgot you got. She's asleep. Probably she was dreaming too.
I know she's probably dreaming about this mess, all this noise. All right. So 2:45.
I don't need right.
Okay. 2:45. I'll be back with the Miralax. Did she eat again?
No. But she liked it. She liked it in the song.
Oh, she does.
Mm-hmm. Gosh. Don't worry. We go home. Mommy gonna meet me.
Oh. That's a pumping machine. My babies went much.
They wouldn't.
The second one, she had a tongue and a lip tie, so she was struggling.
So how did she sound like?
Yes.
That's how she sound.
She'd be like choking and like her nipples were literally scanned. They were completely scanned. You know? And I was like, something ain't right. And then Shona would take her to the doctors and like, oh, she has a lip and sometimes.
I have a question. What about like a free cup?
No, we don't have anything like that. We have like sugar-free Jello.
Let me taste it.
Okay, I'll bring it.
And an alcohol pad. Like an alcohol wipe.
I think we have some here.
17 years old. Why do you start crying?
Oh. Alright, let me get the Jello, okay?
Why do you start crying? You just want to be in my
We
home.
have some, like, food. We have to check.
Huh? Remember. And then, you know, your Casey came and he did this on my own. my feet are so swollen. We going home today. We not staying here. We gonna go home. But they look, I swear, they made this thing smaller. No, she really had a baby. She really had a baby.